also like to congratulate Prime Minister Guzman on Timor Leste's official accession to ASEAN. It is an honor for me to meet you as leaders on my first foreign visit as Prime Minister of Japan. Japan and ASEAN have built a relationship as trusted partners with heart-to-heart connections through long-standing cooperation in a wide range of areas. Japan advocates for free and open Indo-Pacific and consistently support the ASEAN outlook on the Indo-Pacific, which shares fundamental principles with FOIP. It is very gratifying to be able to adopt a joint statement with the ASEAN leaders today, which affirms the synergy between FOIP and AOIP and confirm our way to promote further cooperation between Japan and ASEAN.